Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss a small poem in course book that is Betty at the Party. It's a children's poem. The poet is anonymous. Anonymous means unknown poet. So this poem conveys an important message to children that we must not make fun of others when they are in difficult situation. So children, remember your school days. How do you make fun of others? It gives you happiness, but at the same time, it can be very hurtful for the person being made fun of. Next time you think about it. So let's move to the poem. First stanza. When I was at the party, said Betty, aged just 4, a little girl fell off her chair right down upon the floor, and all the other little girls began to laugh but me. I didn't laugh a single bit, said Betty seriously. So, how old was Betty? She was 4 years old. She explained to her mother about the incident that happened at the birthday party. She tells her mother that she was the only girl to not laugh at a little girl who fell off the chair at the birthday party. Let's move to the second stanza. Why not? Her mother asked her, full of delight to find that Betty, bless her little heart, had been so sweetly kind. Why didn't you laugh, my darling? Or don't you like to tell? I didn't laugh, said Betty, because it was I that fell. So, what do you understand, children? Betty's mother feels very happy because she feels her daughter had been kind because she did not laugh at someone's pain. So she asked Betty why she didn't join the others in laughing at the girl who fell. So Betty replied that she hadn't laughed because she was the one who had fallen off the chair. So here Betty must have felt bad that the other girls laughed at her instead of helping her up. So you can also see Betty was a brave girl also. Why? Because she did not cry on or lose her calm even when the others laughed at her for falling off the chair. So children, what do you understand from this poem? It is important that we must not make fun of people when they are in difficult situation. Also, we must not enjoy at another person's failure. Instead of that, we must do everything we can to help them. So, children, learn the first stanza of this poem and complete your work. That's all for today. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.